if you look around here, there's all sorts of ghosts and shadows of the past. I mean, this town was totally created because of coal.
So all this water that's coming out of here is coming out of an abandoned mine and is bringing with it all this acid and iron. So this is killing miles and miles and miles of stream.
Well, what are you gonna do? I'm about action, period.
Go. Go.
We know how to fix this. We know we have the technology now. The question really is just what do we do with this much iron oxide? 6,000 pounds a day of iron oxide.
Iron oxide? It's like most of my paints are made with iron oxide. You know, our earliest cave paintings are made with red ochre. It's iron oxide.
So we're thinking, can we turn it into paint?